Hello students, present video is about meaning of financial markets. To understand the meaning of financial markets, you should know about financial assets. On financial assets topic, I made 3 videos. Videos links are available in the description box. In those videos, I explained the meaning, types and the features of financial assets. This material is also available in the description box. Let us see the meaning of financial market. Financial market refers to space where selling and buying of numerous types of financial assets take place. We all know that money moves from surplus sector to deficit sector. Investors having surplus money want to invest their money for earning more returns. On the other hand, business needs funds to get started to run in long term. So businessmen need funds from investors. Here, investors are ready to give loans to businessmen and the businessmen are ready to take loans from investors. So, surplus sector refers to investors and the deficit sector refers businessmen. Here, businessmen are borrowers and investors are lenders. Now think how these two sectors meet and transact with each other. There are two alternative mechanisms which help to mobilize the funds from investors to businessmen. First one via banks. Second one via financial markets. Come to first one. Here investors deposit their surplus money with the banks. Banks lend that deposit money to businessmen. Second one, financial markets. Here businessmen issue numerous types of financial assets such as shares, debentures, bonds, international currencies, mutual funds, derivatives, commodities, for example, oil, wheat, cotton, precious metals such as gold, silver. Investor purchases one or more than one financial asset, and by purchasing these financial assets, investor gives money to businessmen. So to purchase these financial assets, investor takes the help of financial markets. Thus, financial market acts as an intermediary between investors and businessmen. Take Amazon company, Flipkart company. They fulfill the requirements of sellers and buyers by providing different goods and services. Similarly, financial markets fulfill the requirements of businessmen and investors by providing different types of financial assets. For example, you want to purchase fruits. Where would you go? Fruit market. If you want to purchase vegetables, you should go to vegetable market. Similarly, if investors want to purchase financial assets, they should depend on financial market. Thus, vegetables are traded in vegetable market. Similarly, financial assets are traded in financial market. Don't think that in financial market always trade takes between businessmen and investors. Sometimes you can see the trade between two investors also. For example, Ravi is having Reliance company shares. So through stock exchange, Ravi is selling these shares to another investor, Gopi. So here Ravi and Gopi both are investors and they are taking the help of one financial market, stock exchange. So remember, in financial markets, trade can be taken between businessmen and investors or between two investors. Let us see the examples of financial markets. First one, capital market. It is further divided into two types, primary market and secondary market. Secondary market is also known as stock exchange. Second one, money market. Third, debt market. Fourth one, equity market. Fifth one, bond market. Sixth, forex market. Seventh, derivatives market. In my coming videos, I will explain about all these markets. This is the end of present video. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.